Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming requirements: a Face ID device and the latest iOS so the camera can map your face. Open Camera or FaceTime and tap the Effects or Memoji icon to access Memoji stickers and live avatars. You do this because real-time tracking needs depth sensors and motion data. Once done, pick or create a Memoji model. Tap New Memoji and customize skin, hair, and expressions so the avatar matches your movements accurately. Now select the Memoji you'll use and calibrate it for accuracy. You should position your face centered in the front camera and keep steady lighting so the sensors detect contours. This reduces jitter and improves lip sync. Speak a few sentences and raise your eyebrows to test eye movement, then smile to check mouth tracking. If tracking lags, move slightly closer or farther until motion feels natural. This helps the software match your facial bones to the avatar in real time. You're ready to record or use Memoji live in a call. Tap Record in Camera or start FaceTime with the Memoji active. Make short test clips to verify expression fidelity and audio lip sync. Once satisfied, export or share directly from the app. If movement looks wrong, first check lighting and distance, then toggle camera and motion permissions in settings. If it still fails, restart the app or device. Reinitializing sensors often restores proper face tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.